Hey everyone, get ready to discover Santa Catarina. It's a beautiful state in Brazil, right on the coast. Imagine amazing beaches, green rainforests, tall mountains, and incredible canyons. We're going on an adventure to see all the amazing things Santa Catarina has to offer. Get ready to be amazed by the beauty of nature. From sunny beaches to misty mountaintops, we'll explore all the secrets that make Santa Catarina a true natural wonderland. Let's start our trip where the ocean meets the land. Santa Catarina's beaches. This Brazilian state is renowned for its stunning coastline, which offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and vibrant culture. Whether you're a surfer chasing the perfect wave or a nature lover seeking tranquility, Santa Catarina has something for everyone. These beaches stretch for over 500 kilometers. That's like driving for hours. Imagine the endless possibilities for exploration and adventure. From secluded coves to bustling beach towns, the diversity of Santa Catarina's coastline is truly remarkable. Florianópolis, the biggest city in Santa Catarina, has beaches that are perfect for surfing, especially Praia Mole. Known for its consistent waves and vibrant surf culture, Praia Mole attracts surfers from all over the world. The city itself is a blend of modernity and tradition, offering a unique urban experience right by the sea. If you like to have fun, Balneário Camboriú is the place to be with its lively boardwalk and exciting nightlife. This city never sleeps, with its numerous bars, clubs and restaurants offering entertainment until the early hours. The beachfront is always buzzing with activity, making it a hotspot for both locals and tourists. But if you want a quiet and beautiful beach, Praia da Rosa is the place for you. This serene spot is perfect for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle. The gentle waves and pristine sands create a tranquil environment, ideal for relaxation and reflection. It's tucked away between green hills and has a peaceful vibe. The lush greenery surrounding the beach adds to its charm, making it a picturesque destination for nature lovers. Hiking trails around the area offer stunning views and a chance to immerse yourself in the natural beauty of Santa Catarina. And guess what? You might even see giant whales swimming close to the shore. During the migration season, southern right whales can be spotted near Praia da Rosa, offering a spectacular sight for visitors. This unique experience is a testament to the rich marine life that thrives along Santa Catarina's coast. Okay, time to leave the beach. The sun is setting and the golden hues are painting the sky. It's been a day filled with laughter, sunbathing and the soothing sound of waves crashing against the shore. But now, it's time to pack up our beach gear, say goodbye to the sandy shores and set our sights on a new adventure. And go on an adventure. Our destination, the majestic Serra do Rio do Rastro Mountains. As we gather our backpacks, check our gear and fuel up our vehicles, there's a palpable excitement in the air. The thrill of the unknown, the promise of breathtaking landscapes, and the camaraderie of fellow travelers make this journey truly special. To the Serra do Rio do Rastro Mountains, these mountains are not just any mountains, they are a marvel of nature with their rugged peaks and deep valleys. The aerial views alone are enough to leave anyone in awe. As we ascend, the landscape transforms, revealing the raw beauty of this natural wonder. Get ready for cooler air, a refreshing change from the warm beach. The mountain breeze carries with it the scent of pine and earth, invigorating our senses. It's a reminder of the purity and tranquility that nature offers, far removed from the hustle and bustle of city life. The smell of pine trees and amazing views. The dense forests of pine trees stand tall, their green needles creating a canopy that filters the sunlight. The views from the mountain are nothing short of spectacular, with vast expanses of greenery stretching out as far as the eye can see. The road that takes us up the mountain is a masterpiece, a testament to human ingenuity and nature's grandeur. It's a winding path that carves its way through the rugged terrain, offering glimpses of the stunning vistas that await us at every turn, twisting and turning as we go higher. Each bend in the road reveals a new perspective, a new angle of the breathtaking landscape. The drive itself is an adventure, with the anticipation of what lies ahead keeping us on the edge of our seats. As we drive up, we'll see valleys covered in green, a lush tapestry of vegetation that thrives in this pristine environment. The valleys are a testament to the fertility and vitality of the land, a stark contrast to the rocky peaks that surround them and mountain peaks that seem to touch the clouds. These towering giants stand as sentinels, their peaks often shrouded in mist and clouds. It's a sight that inspires awe and reverence, a reminder of the sheer scale and majesty of nature. There are so many hiking trails here, each one offering its own unique experience. Whether you're an experienced hiker or a casual walker, there's a trail for everyone. These paths lead us deeper into the heart of the mountains, where we can truly connect with nature that lead to hidden waterfalls and incredible views. These waterfalls are nature's hidden gems, cascading down rocky cliffs and creating serene pools of crystal clear water. The views from these spots are unparalleled, offering a glimpse into the untouched beauty of the mountains. This is more than just a road trip, it's an exploration of the soul. Every mile we cover, every turn we take brings us closer to the essence of the Serra do Rio do Rastro. It's a journey that transcends the physical, touching our hearts and minds in ways we never imagined. It's a journey through the heart of Santa Catarina's beauty. This region is a treasure trove of natural wonders, each more breathtaking than the last. From the rolling hills to the dense forests, from the serene valleys to the towering peaks, Santa Catarina offers a landscape that is both diverse and captivating. As we continue our journey, we are reminded of the incredible beauty that lies in the world around us, waiting to be discovered. Santa Catarina is like a treasure chest, full of different plants and animals, a vibrant ecosystem that is a testament to the wonders of nature. This region is a sanctuary for countless species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The diversity here is simply astounding, with each layer of the forest teeming with life from the forest floor to the towering canopy above. Most of these incredible species live in the Atlantic forest, a lush and dense rainforest that stretches along the coast of Brazil. This forest is one of the most important and biodiverse ecosystems in the world, providing a home to a myriad of plants and animals. This rainforest used to cover the whole coast of Brazil, creating a continuous green belt that was a haven for wildlife. Over the years, human activities have significantly reduced its size, but its remnants still hold an incredible amount of biodiversity. And even though some of it is gone now, efforts are being made to restore and protect what remains. Conservation initiatives are in place to ensure that this precious ecosystem can continue to thrive for future generations. Santa Catarina still has big protected areas where the forest is allowed to flourish without the threat of deforestation. These protected zones are crucial for the survival of many species and for maintaining the ecological balance of the region. Parque Nacional de São Joaquim is one of these special places, a national park that serves as a refuge for a wide variety of flora and fauna. This park is a jewel in the crown of Santa Catarina's natural heritage. Home to all sorts of amazing creatures and plants, Parque Nacional de São Joaquim is a biodiversity hotspot. Here you can find species that are unique to this region, thriving in their natural habitat. Imagine tall trees with branches that look like umbrellas, creating a canopy that shelters the forest floor below. These trees, known as araucaria, are iconic symbols of the region and play a vital role in the ecosystem. And a forest floor covered in colorful flowers and plants, each adding to the vibrant tapestry of life. The undergrowth is a riot of colors and textures, with every inch teeming with life. Another cool place is Parque Estadual do Rio Vermelho, a state park that is dedicated to the conservation of the region's unique biodiversity. This park is a haven for wildlife and a great place for visitors to experience the natural beauty of Santa Catarina. Here, they're helping to save a special kind of parrot, the red-tailed parrot, which is an endangered species. Conservation efforts in the park are focused on protecting and increasing the population of these beautiful birds. You'll hear all kinds of bird songs here, as the forest is alive with the sounds of countless bird species. Each bird adds its own unique melody to the symphony of the forest. It's like a concert in the forest. The harmonious blend of bird calls creates an enchanting atmosphere, making it a truly magical experience for anyone who visits. Next stop, canyons. Over millions of years, wind and water have carved these amazing canyons into the land. Imagine huge cliffs, waterfalls and secret caves. Canyon do Itaimbazinho is the most famous one, with its colorful walls that are over 5,000 feet tall. Down at the bottom of the canyon, it's like a different world, with ferns, moss, and even animals. If you're feeling brave, you can rappel down the canyon walls, or you can hike along the rim and enjoy the views. These canyons are proof of how incredible nature can be. In the middle of all these incredible landscapes, there's a place called Lagoa do Peri. It's a big lake surrounded by hills and plants, perfect for relaxing and seeing wildlife. The water is so still, it's like a mirror reflecting the sky. You can go kayaking and try to spot birds, or just enjoy the peace and quiet. As the sun starts to set, the lagoon becomes magical. You'll hear the sound of insects and see fireflies lighting up the night. Lagoa do Peri reminds us that sometimes the best moments in nature are the quiet ones. From the rainforest to the mountains, Santa Catarina is full of animals. It's like a giant zoo. with so many different creatures, big and small. In the rainforest, you might see colorful toucans and parrots flying around. And if you're really lucky, you might even spot a jaguar, the biggest cat in the Americas. Up in the mountains, you might hear the howler monkeys calling to each other. And on the coast, sea turtles come to lay their eggs on the beaches. Santa Catarina is a reminder that we need to protect these amazing animals and their homes. Let's head up to the Santa Catarina highlands where the air is cool and fresh. Here you'll find green hills, forests and charming towns. There are also tons of waterfalls here. Cascata do Avencal is one of the biggest, with water plummeting over 100 meters, and at Cascata do Rio do Tigre you can even take a dip in the cool water. The Santa Catarina highlands are a perfect blend of nature, culture and a relaxed way of life. Water is everywhere in Santa Catarina. Rivers, waterfalls and the ocean. The Itajai Aku River is the biggest one, flowing from the mountains to the sea. It's important for farming, energy, and even fun activities like kayaking and fishing. But the waterfalls are the real stars here. Each one is different and beautiful. Like Guarani Waterfall, which is super powerful, and Serra do Corvo Branco Waterfall, which flows down like a staircase. These waterfalls remind us how important water is for our planet. As we've seen, Santa Catarina is full of natural wonders, and it's important to protect them. That's why ecotourism is so big here. There are eco-lodges and tour companies that care about the environment. You can go on guided hikes, whale-watching tours and more, all while knowing that you're helping to protect this amazing place. By choosing eco-friendly options, we can all help keep Santa Catarina beautiful for years to come. So, there you have it, Santa Catarina. Beaches, mountains, forests, canyons and so much more. It's the perfect place for an adventure or a relaxing getaway. We hope you enjoyed this journey through Santa Catarina. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome travel videos.